In this video, I'm going to give you the top 3 ChatGPT prompts that every agent should be using going into this year. And here's the awesome thing. It's not complicated. It's not expensive. You don't have to buy some expensive system, workflow, some strategy, some solution, or some widget with pixie dust that's supposed to magically help your business get better. It allows you to use the tool as it's designed, super powerful, super simple, and you can apply it to your business today. If you're using ChatGPT like a toy or like Google or just asking it basic questions, we're already behind, but don't worry, we're going to fix that. See, to fully leverage GPT, it's not about writing emails or using it to write listing descriptions. We need to give GPT an identity, a persona. We need to give it a task, a role, a job, a role, a goal, and a mission within our business. One of my favorite prompts that I use is I'll ask ChatGPT, you are my chief operating officer, you are my COO for this project, and we are attempting to X, Y, and Z, A, B, and C. Fill in the blanks on what you're looking to accomplish. This powerful prompt of giving GPT a persona now sets the tone for future conversations. Versus it just answering your questions, it's now going to start asking you questions, providing you data, feedback, and thinking with a hat of strategy, becoming your strategic advisor for your business. Now, you can stop reacting. You can sit back like the powerful CEO you are and review the notes, the input, and the suggestions from your chief operating officer. Sounds simple, but this little direction shift allowed us to give GPT a persona, gave it a role, gave it a mission, gave it a job, and it's all for the task of fulfilling that job. And here's where it can actually get dangerous for agents that ignore this step. AI doesn't replace lazy people. It exposes lazy people. Power prompt number 2 for ChatGPT. This one is a fun one. It's straight up, it's honest, and well, it's real to us in our business. The prompt is, turn my mess into a solution. Ask me questions in regard to my business, my pain points, and my lack of organizational skills in an attempt to identify how you can be a solution. Maybe you have notes everywhere. Maybe you're working from notebooks, or you have Post-it notes, or you have reminders on every single computer and device that you have. Maybe you have half-finished ideas, workflows that you need to flush out and get completed. Maybe you're disconnected from your processes, your lead follow-up, your lead engagement. By having this dialogue, GPT is going to engage with you. It's going to ask you questions. It's going to diagnose your problems, your challenges, so that it can provide a system, a strategy, and a solution, and a ready-made recipe for you to follow to organize your business. It'll give you clean workflows, checklists, and repeatable steps. You can even download these as a PDF and have a user's manual for your business, all with your spoken words and your dialogue without paying for expensive solutions. And finally, power prompt number 3. You're going to ask ChatGPT to train you like a top producer. You're going to give it a persona of a top real estate coach and ask it to train you in the ways of a top producer. Instead of asking GPT, what should I do? Or instead of asking GPT just very basic questions, you ask GPT, I'm facing this situation. How would a top 1% agent handle this situation? What are some systems and strategies that top 1% agents do in their business, and how can I implement them into my business? Where do you think that I am weak in my business where I can improve to ultimately earn more closings? Now here, team, we're thinking about upgrades. We're thinking about systems, language, patterns, behaviors. This allows us to stop acting like an employee and ultimately start making decisions for our business, working on our business versus in our business. These 3 prompts give us not only clarity, but they give us speed to clarity. You can provide these 3 prompts in the next 10 minutes into GPT and walk away with a ready-made, tailor-made solution to you and your business. The agents who are winning this year, they're not working harder. They're thinking smarter, they're streamlining their operations, and they're leveraging AI to do that. Remember, team, top agents don't fear change. They don't fear tools. They step in, they lean in, and they master them. With that said, there's some links down below. If you're curious about AI, the systems, the strategies, the solutions, how to implement AI into your business, there's tools, resources, links, scripts, dialogue, systems, strategies, solutions, you name it, it's all down there. But most importantly is the Real Estate Academy Hub, RealEstateAcademyHub.com. It is a mastermind community that I created of like-minded agents, all synergistically working together to help each other grow our business. Take a look at the tools and resources down below. Find that which is applicable to you and your business. But at the end of the day, just get out there, get after it, grow your business. We'll talk soon, everybody. Bye-bye.